thought my age was holding me back, but I was wrong. You know what held me back the most? It wasn't money and it wasn't time. It was the belief that I was too old to start something over again. I thought the world moved on, that online business was for the tech savvy, the young, or the lucky. But I was 100% wrong. I started over 70 when everything had fallen apart again. I had no savings left due to legal issues. I couldn't physically work full-time anymore. And every day I was watching my independence just slip away. I'd scroll online and see all these people making money, but I kept telling myself, that's for them, not someone like me. Until one day I asked myself and watched others that I had met, what if that's not true? What if I'm not too late? What if I could start again and actually build something better? I had no choice. I wanted to do something. That single question really changed everything for me, because what I found wasn't a hustle. It wasn't MLM or affiliate marketing. It was a simple digital business model that offered one-time setup, 100% profit, no commissions or middleman, no inventory to market and sell and ship, no chasing people ever, and it came with a step-by-step mentorship. You don't need tech skills. You don't need a huge audience. You don't need to know what a funnel or ad platform is. I didn't. If you can follow simple steps, if you can use a smartphone, which we all do all the time, or a laptop and have Wi-Fi, you can do this just like I am. In part 2, this was part 1, I'll share the exact shift that helped me get my peace and energy and income back, all without burning out again. Comment part 2 if you're ready to watch it, or visit hollypringdailypay.com to learn more. It's free to check out.